Hello, this is Jerome Srelia, and today I'm going to share to you the things that I bought from a mini exhibit of Quezon City Post Office here in Robinson's Magnolia. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. For the year 2025, uh, for the Chinese New Year is Year of the Snake. Though in the Philippines, we're not Chinese, but there are lots of Chinese Filipino brothers we have here. That's why we also celebrate Chinese New Year here in the Philippines. So there you go. It's Year of the Wooden Snake. That's the stamp, 45 pesos and then 16. Well, I'm not really into snake. Pero binili ko to because gusto ko lang. But I have a full intention of going to use this one. And then, since bumili ako ng stamp, binigyan ako ng ganito. What you call this one? Chinese hieroglyphics like that. Yan. Chinese writing. Pag binasa mo to, it means lucky. Ang sabi sa akin, ilagay ko daw sa pinto. Ilalagay ko yan sa pinto kasi Chinese New Year. So, lagay natin, lucky. Ito for my post crossing. For swap to, medyo may kamahalan siya. Pero okay na lang din kasi may ka-swap akong collector ng postcard na she is looking for this one. But unfortunately, I don't have this stamps. Ang meron lang ako yung sa ASEAN. 'Di ba? 150 years of enabling communications and empowerment people across nations. This is United Nation. Yeah. That's a symbol of the Philippines. Then this is the Philippine Post Office. Parang this one is very disturbing. Right? Kasi parang I don't know, it reminds me of Freddy Krueger. This is a child and then may mga airmail. I'm sure. I don't like it. Hindi ko siya preference, what I mean. This naman is parang an artwork of a kid. Is a Philippine flag and then may may globe. This one is something, sabihin natin anything na maaaring lumabas sa sobre, diba? Any message will do, and I really like it. This one is postal something, right? Pero ito talaga, ewan ko na lang, pero karamihan sa ibang bansa yan lang yung nakalagay sa postcard nila, that symbol. Pero that's nice. Ito naman yung 2025 na stamp. Snake. I don't really like snakes. I'm afraid of snakes. Pero regardless how cute they are, anyways, kaya gaya na sinabi ko kanina, binili ko to kasi gagamitin ko. There you go. So basically that's everything, and thank you for watching. Bye for now. Lucky.